Are you tired of the confusion around forex trading? Maybe you just started but don't know where to begin. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to start. Hi, I'm Ugushnos Robinson. Welcome to TradeSense Academy. This is the place where beginners become confident traders. My mission is to simplify forex trading so that anyone, yes, even you can master it. Today, I'm going to walk you through on what forex trading is all about, the biggest mistake to avoid as a beginner, and how TradeSense Academy can guide you to success. So make sure you stick around to the end. I have got a bonus tips that can save you a lot of money and frustration. So let's start from the basic. What is forex trading? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global market where currencies are bought and sold. Here is an example. Imagine you are traveling from US to Europe and you change your dollar for euro at the airport. That is forex in action. Except instead of exchanging for travel, traders aim to profit from the changing value of currencies. The forex market operates 24 hours in a day, 5 days in a week, with major financial hubs like London, New York, and Tokyo. And the best part of it is that you can trade from anywhere with just using your computer or smartphones. Forex trade is all about predicting whether one currency will go up or go down compared to another. Sound exciting, right? Common mistakes beginners make. Before you dive in, let me save you from the pitfall most beginners face: skipping the demo account. Most traders rush into live trading without practice. Start with a demo account. It's free and let you trade without losing your real money. Another one is ignoring this management. Don't trade your entire account on one trade. Use a proper risk management techniques like listing 1 or 2% of your account so that you're going to stay longer in the game. Another one is not trading from the basic. Forex trade is not gambling. Learn how to analyze the chart, understand market trends. This is where TradeSense comes into play. We're going to help you avoid this mistake and build a solid foundation. So how can TradeSense Academy help you? We provide step-by-step tutorials to break down complex trading concepts. You will get access to proven strategies that actually work in the real market. And most importantly, we're going to teach you how to stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to sharpen your skill, we have got you covered. Subscribe today to join a community of traders learning and growing together. And here is your bonus tip. Start small. When you're ready to trade, don't invest more money you can afford to lose. Start with a small account. Focus on learning and scale up as you gain confidence. Remember that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. If you find this video very helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to TradeSense Academy for more forex trading tips, strategies, and step-by-step guide. Let me know in the comment section what is your biggest challenge in forex trading. I would love to help you out. And don't forget to check out my next video about how to set up your first trading account. It is the perfect next step. See you there and happy trading.